Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. It has been 60 years since Ford unveiled what would become an iconic car, the Mustang, at the 1964 World's Fair in New York. As part of the celebration, the automaker is rolling out the 2024 edition of the all-electric Mustang Mach-E with improvements in range, charging speed, and more. Ford's Garett Carr.
It's going to be about 20% faster than it was at launch on the fast charge, 10 to 80%, and 10 miles of range on the extended range battery. And of course, we now have the Tesla Supercharger network as part of our fast charging network. We have adapters that are available for customers who have currently own a Mustang Mach-E or are going to buy a Mustang Mach-E. So lots of improvements there.
There's a rally edition with new off-roading capability too. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.